Hi guys, welcome back to Everyday Life with Kim25. Hi guys, Kim, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking, well, sorta. I'm in the kitchen and I want to do my Kim gut flush. So let's get started. So what you need is a glass or like a blender thing. I do my little wallet. Of course, a lid for mixing. And what I put into my flush is apple juice. I like the brand for me. You can do any apple juice or orange juice. Either way, it doesn't really matter. And then I do organic aloe vera juice. And a little bit of ground turmeric. So what you do, you pour in your apple juice to the amount. I did that much. And then you add the aloe vera juice. The aloe vera juice helps with the inflammation in the body. I do the flush twice a week. If I need a nice reset of my gut, I do this. And then a dash of turmeric. So this is the concoction. So I got the apple juice and the aloe vera juice and the turmeric. And then I'm going to blend it to make sure it's all blended. Make sure it's tight. And here we go. Oh yeah. Oh wow, that looked really weird. Wow, it is so foamy. Oh wow, that is crazy. Look at this thing. Wow. But it's good though. I usually don't mix it in a, like in this. I just stir it around. But I like it blended like that. It kind of looks like beer. I'm not drinking beer, but it just looks like it. So that is my Kim gut flush. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I'll be posting. Share it with a friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye!